My name is Teacher Jay, and today we're going to do your speaking test. Okay? What's your name?
My name is Tony.
Okay, Tony. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Tony, how are you?
I'm fine. Yes.
I'm fine.
Yes.
I'm fine, thank you. Okay. How old are you?
I'm 5, 6 years old.
I'm 6.
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, very good. Now, Tony. This one is what sound is this one? Sound?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's this?
Yellow. Golden. Yeah.
How about this one? What sound is this one? Okay. This one is a
Box. 5. Us. 6. Right.
Okay. Now, what sound is this one?
Truck.
Okay.
Chicken. Cherry. Cheese.
Chair.
Chair. Cheese.
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 Okay. This one is
Shop. Shoot. Fish. Shark. Sheep.
shirt.
Shirt.
Shirt. Okay. How about this one is the.
Tea.
This.
This.
That.
Fat. Mask.
Bra.
Rat.
Brother. Brother. This one is thumb. Thumb.
Tree. Map.
Thumb.
Dog. Thing.
Yes. Earth. Yes. Numbers. Can you count from 1 to 10? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, good job. Now, what number is this? Number
3, 6,
No, this one is 6. Yes,
7,
7. This one.
4,
Tony, what number is this? No. 9.
9, 1, 10.
Okay. Now shapes.
Yes.
Circle.
Triangle, rectangle, square, oval, thorn, diamond, star,
What shape is this? Yes, trap.
triangle, thorn,
Die.
diamond, star,
No. O.
oval, circle,